What's going on, guys? This is Facebook Weather with Matt Witt. This is your storm update for Tuesday night and into Wednesday morning. So this is your first storm update. I have noticed some considerable changes in the atmosphere, the moisture, and the cold and the warm front. Now, when the cold and the warm front lead together, severe storms will happen. So let's get right down to business, and let's check out our models right now to indicate where the precipitation is falling most heavy. Alright, so this is what we call a weather model. A weather model in the storm world. See all these moving graphs? These are the current graphs that are indicating the strongest type of precipitation in Missouri. So if we zoom into Missouri, this is not the radar, but this is the actual area of thing I'm concerned with. So if you go to the heavy precipitation, you see that this is right on the line between Missouri and Kansas, and when this gets the triangular shape, it means that storms are coming. Now that you guys can see, just to get you into simple terms, see the low-level jet? When this is red, this means that this is the strongest line of severe storms. So the yellow arrow right here is pointing to the most strong severe storms. Now, this is the jet stream where it goes up. And then this is just one model. And if you go to the NAM models, it's kind of a different model. I usually go by the NAM model. And then over here, you see basically how it's changing, how the precipitation is changing, what it's doing. So if you go to the indices, you can see this basically in a nutshell. The CINS represents how heavy the precip is, and when it's flashing red, it means that a warning could go out. Also, it does mean, if we go back to our map here, and we can zoom out on this area here. This yellow and red line represents where the storms are going to be headed tomorrow. I haven't switched it yet, but in this area right here, you can see some interesting things. For one, let's go to our, let me find this here. Just a second. Alright, so first of all, let's go to our hail growth. So let's go to our hail right now, and for this graph right here, the hail is the white added to the graph, and as you see how this rapidly grows within our storm system. So this is going to be a problem for the storm system. So let's get down to business, and let's go to our Doppler radar right now. Okay, so this is the storm I was talking about right here. If we can zoom out. See, in St. Louis area, you have some spotty showers and thunderstorms down south as that warm front came through. But these storms are really packing a punch, and they should be around here in St. Louis later this evening as they move quicker towards our area. So as we were watching this, there were some tornado warnings associated with this system earlier. Now, if I put a storm track on this Titan storm tracking, this estimates where the storm is going to go approximately by the wind and blah, blah, blah. So let's go to this one. If this is going northeast at about 45 miles per hour, this is basically the CLIP system that could produce the most severe storm by around 9 or 10 p.m. tonight. This should be in our area, but the intensity of the colors represent how strong it is. So the yellow represents a pretty good strong system. The green is just rain. Also, this is another system we had earlier in St. Louis that just moved off across the river. So this has been your first storm update, and I'll let you guys know when the storm starts going. I'll update you on the storm.